Hello, this is a quick initial impressions of the 7 Sparta hood latches for your Wrangler, compatible with all these models, JK, JKU, JK, JLU, and JT. So various Wranglers here. The nice thing, number one, I'll say packaging is nice. Foam on top, you have foam for the latch, not just here. But the nice thing is that these are beefy, these are stout. They're all metal, so you don't have to worry about the the plastic deteriorating or discoloring on your current latches. They're just really beefy. They do have, you can see some rubber backing to them, so this will help with not rattling. So just really nice. Really stout. Comes with everything you need, mounting hardware. Got a few Allen wrenches. Install here. And so the idea would be that this is going to go on, I think, like so. Here you go. And then you would latch down. So yeah, beefy, all metal, and nice. So far so good. Can't wait to get them on.